Hey, what is up? It is your boy Will. Welcome back to the Skinny Survivor channel, the best place for skinny guys to go from scrawny to brawny and gain their first 30 pounds of muscle. Today, I have something very special for you by popular request. I have a full upper body workout that's gonna train your back, your shoulders, and your arms with no equipment. So if you're stuck at home during quarantine, you don't have any equipment, and you want a great body weight workout for your back, your shoulders, and your arms, today's workout is gonna be for you. So let's get straight into the workout. So if you can see on your screen here, this is today's workout. It's gonna work your back, your shoulders, and your arms. There's 7 exercises here, and every single exercise is quite creative because when we don't have equipment, we have to work with what we've got, right? So you're only gonna need a towel for this workout. I'm sure you have a towel at home. If you take showers, well, you have a towel, okay? So you need a towel, and that's about it, okay? And you also need a chair. If you have a chair, you can do this workout. So let's get into the workout. So we've got 7 exercises here. The first exercise is a seal push-up, which I'll show you in a second when I do show you the actual workout. We've got seal push-up, 3 sets of 12, bent over towel rows, 3 sets of 12, lying towel pull downs, 3 sets of 8 to 12, and you're gonna see in a second just how awesome these exercises are. If you don't have any ideas of what to do with just body weight, you can get a great workout anyway. We've got our body weight lateral raises, pike push-ups, towel bicep curls, and chair dips. Okay, so this is gonna be an amazing workout for you to work your back, your shoulders, and your arms. But if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you're a skinny guy looking to bulk up, this is the best place for skinny guys to bulk up faster and get mass gain tips and advice. Make sure to click the link in my description to grab a free bulking plan for the next 30 days so you can bulk up and gain your first 10 pounds of muscle. So make sure to get that in the description below. But let's get straight into the workout. Thanks for watching again. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. Also, check out the videos on the screen here to watch next. That's it for this video, my skinny survivors. I'll see you in the next one.